Hi, I'm Sean Privett and I'm chairman of the Walker Bay Fynbos Conservancy. Lomond Wines is one of our key members, sitting in the heart of the Conservancy and playing a very important role in protecting the amazing biodiversity of this region. They have a number of wines which are their single vineyard wines. These single vineyard wines are named after Fynbos plants, and one of the wines is a Sauvignon Blanc which they've named Pincushion. In this area we have a number of Pincushions, but the most spectacular of our Pincushions is this one, Leucospermum pattersonii. It's the local limestone Pincushion. It's only found between the villages of Stanford and down to Cape Agulhas, so it's a coastal species, and it has a really remarkable ecology. The first thing, when you look at this plant, you'll see it's really bright, so birds as they fly over can't but be attracted to the plant. The sugar birds, which are endemic to this region, to the Fynbos, fly over, they land on the plant, they stick their beak into the flower to drink nectar, and while they're drinking the nectar, the pollen gets placed on their head. They then fly off to the next plant or the next flower, and they are the vectors of pollination. Once the plant's fertilized, the seeds is the next interesting step in this ecology. The seeds are large. I've always said they're a bit like a Smartie. So you can imagine the chocolate is the seed and the candy on the outside is an elaiosome, which is a fatty layer, which is not for the germination, but it's actually there as a means of attracting ants. So when the seed lands on the ground, within a few minutes the local ants find the seed. They're attracted by a pheromone, which is a perfume for ants in the coating of the seed. They then collectively take that seed and they carry it underground into their nests where they have a feast. They devour the coating but leave the seed protected underground. And there it will remain for many years until there's a fire. The fire burns through the landscape, cleans the landscape out, returns the nutrients to the soil, removes the competition, removes the rodents, and provides a trigger for that seed to know it's time to germinate. So after the fire, the seeds germinate, and within 4 or 5 years you are back to this stage again where you've got this magnificent Pincushion. So that's the story of the Pincushion wine, a really good Sauvignon Blanc made by Lomond Wines.